Alright guys, Innova Motorcycling here, back with another video. We got some mail call today. So let's see here. Hope everyone's doing well. Got a box here, got 2 more boxes. This is going to be the last mail call for quite some time. And then I got a video of my new motorcycle next week. So let's crack this open. This is Destroyer edition. Basically gonna unbox all the Destroyers that I purchased. My friend gave me some Destroyers to throw and they're beat in, so I love them. So these are brand new ones and I'm gonna put some dye on them, stamp on them. So can't wait to see what it looks like in here. Here we go. Alright. Got a different array of different colors. These are all bottom stamp Destroyers. So let's take them out. Oh yes, baby. Look at that. The rest of the box, there's nothing in them. So let's put the box away. There we go. Oh, look at this. So this is like pink color. We got blue and we got green. Let's take a closer look at these. Let's try not to cut the discs here. I'm not sure why they had to tape them all like this. But I plan on putting a dye on these. And speaking of that, I found a local disc golf player who will dye any disc that is, well, he says that Star Plastic or ESP or Z Plastic is preferred because the colors pop better. Same with just the dye in general would pop better. So I've been having him do 2 of my other Destroyers and I will show you guys those once I get them back from him. But these, I'm going to get these dyed by either Hut Collab or him. I love the Hut Collab dye so much that I'm going to have some of these Destroyers dyed. And then we also got some blue ones here and some pink ones. These look absolutely gorgeous in person. And some of them I'll leave it in the plastic wrap until it's time, obviously. But yeah, let's just show you what it looks like out of the plastic wrap. Oh yes, baby. That looks so good with the bottom stamp. What's nice about these is that you can put any dye on them and it will pop because they're light colored. So looking forward to that. Yeah, we got one with the green stamp, one with the silver stamp, and these 2 blue ones are black stamp and silver stamp. So there you go. I am looking forward to getting these dyed. Cannot wait. And these are, one is with the green stamp and one was with a black stamp. So we got green ones and they're all light, which is nice because I love throwing light discs. They're easy to throw for me. So these are all perfect. Perfect. So those are the bottom stamp Destroyers. Let's go on to the next set of Destroyers here. Put those to the side. And then we got these now. These are a little different. So let's go ahead and open this one here. There we go. Oh yes. It is a first run Star Destroyer. Oh my goodness. That is nice. That is nice. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I believe it's lightly used. It was a pre-owned Star Destroyer, but it's got more of a flat profile compared to the new ones, and that is a beauty. Because it's lightly thrown, it's nowhere near as expensive as some of the other first run ones. So there we go. Let's take that box out of the way here. The next one, let's see what's inside this box here. Okay. Let's go ahead and cut that over there. Cut that right there. Alright, here we go. There we go. Take the wrapper off. Take the wrapper off. So nicely wrapped. Oh, so this one is a Paul Macbeth 4-time Black Destroyer. I believe this one has not been thrown. Let me go ahead and take it out so you can see it out of the bag. Nope, it has not been thrown. Look at that beauty. All black Paul Macbeth 4-time Destroyer. Ho ho ho. That is quite a beauty. Yeah. I've been throwing nukes for a while, and I've been taken really to the destroyers now, and I'm so used to them, and I love throwing destroyers now. So, except these might be collectors. This next one is a 10-year anniversary edition. 10th anniversary edition, and it's never been thrown. And I love this blue and red stamp. Oh, that looks so flipping cool. And that's what it looks like on the bottom. And that's what it looks like on the top. Oh, it feels so good in the hand. But yeah, that's the 10th anniversary edition right there. Look at the detail in the stamp. It's got these tiny little zeros and ones along the edge of it there. It is flipping cool. Alright, that's pretty much the unboxing of the Destroyers today. The bottom stamp ones are all going to get stamped, and then I'm going to throw those. And I might go give those away to anybody who's a Patreon supporter. And then these are going to be collectors for me. They're too nice to throw, but who knows? Maybe I'll throw them one day. And then the first one I probably will throw because it's been used already. So the next video is going to be, I bought a new bike to replace my old bike. I sold my old bike 3 months ago, so the next video is going to be about motorcycles, so not going to be about disc golf. Alright, okay guys, I'll see you guys later. Enjoy the ride.